Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be making lip gloss. I recommend you wear your house clothes like me because that's what I'm wearing. I'm in my house, so it doesn't really matter, but it's Thanksgiving also, so nobody has school and I have free time. So today I'm going to be making lip gloss. I'm going to show you guys what I do to make lip gloss. I used to sell lip gloss, but I no longer sell lip gloss. So I'm going to put you on scoop. If you guys are ready to make lip gloss, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be using this measuring cup I got from Walmart. It shows teaspoons and stuff like that. I'm going to be using my lip gloss base. I'm going to be using strawberry flavoring and hydrogenated polysulfonate. I don't really know how to say it all the way, but I researched all this stuff, so I know what I'm talking about. Apricot kernel oil. And I'm going to be using fractionated coconut oil. I have a syringe with the tip of a pipette. You just cut the tip of a pipette off like this. Put it on there. And then I have 2 lip gloss containers because I only plan to make enough for 2 lip glosses because I don't really care for having that much at home. So I'm going to be using the colors, other colors in because I have like these pre-mixed colors like glitz and star, so I might mix those up into this, but as of right now this is what we're going to be using. So let's get into this video. So first I'm going to take
the lip gloss base and I'm going to push it all the way to the top, so when I squeeze it's like it'll come right out because I ain't got time to squeeze it. This is a 4 ounce, this one was a 4 ounce container, so yeah. I'm just going to make a bit. I'm going to put all of it in here, and then I'm going to separate it later. And then when I do different colors, I'll make one of the one color out of this color, and then I'm going to add the other color into this one. So we should only need one bowl because I'm going to mix the colors together. So just pour. It pours really slow, but be patient with it. That should be more than enough for 2, I hope. Let me see if I can get it to go down a little bit. So that's about 2 tablespoons of lip gloss base. I think that should fill both of these little ones because these are little, like I said. I still have like a decent amount of lip gloss base, so you can just add like oil to it or whatever you want to. So then next I'm going to add the hydrogenated polysulfonate, that's how you say it, polysulfonate, into this. I'm going to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 15, about 20 drops of that. I add a lot. So about like 20 drops of that because I don't want my lip gloss to be super thick. I kind of want like a thin lip gloss. I'm going to add a little bit more. I hate thick lip glosses. So I'm going to make it a little thin. Then I'm going to take my strawberry flavoring. This is the bomb. It makes your lip gloss taste really like strawberry. And then I'm going to put a decent amount of this because I really want it to taste like strawberry. And like I said, I want it to be thin. So I'm going to put a nice amount of that in it. And then I'm actually going to measure out the oils. So I'm going to be using this tablespoon. I'm not going to put a whole tablespoon because that would be ridiculous for this little amount. So I'm going to take it like this. Oh my. I put it all the way out there. I don't know. Hopefully I recorded that because that was a good video, or a good part. So I moved it back up so hopefully you guys can see it now. So I'm going to take the apricot kernel oil and I'm going to put about, probably about a half a tablespoon into here. And I'm going to pour that into here. And then I'm going to get a bowl or cup. I think I'm going to take a bowl. I'm going to take a regular bowl, you know, kitchen bowl. And I'm going to warm up my coconut oil because I want my mixture to become thin when I mix it. I didn't warm up the apricot kernel oil because I don't know how that would react to being warmed up. So that's why I didn't warm that one up. But this one is about like a tablespoon too. I put a little bit more because when you warm it up, it probably going to get stuck in the bowl. So about a tablespoon of that. Pour that in there. And I'm only going to put this on 10 seconds because I don't want to like burn myself. So I'm going to put it in the microwave. Alright guys, I'm sorry if the view changed a little bit. Camera got knocked down when I was warming up my coconut oil, but yeah, I put that in there, so that's how much we got. Put that in the microwave. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to pour it inside of this. I'm going to pour it inside of the bowl or in the container. I'm going to put this over here because. And then I'm going to take this this fork and I'm going to mix it. That's what I'm going to be using to mix because I'm a little bootleggy. So you see what I said with the warm coconut oil? It'll make everything go together more better. That's why I warm the coconut oil because I want it to become thinner. Let's see. So you just gotta keep mixing this until it comes together as one. And you'll understand what I mean as one, because once you do this, you'll understand that they don't mix together right away. So you have to make them work together. And I'm going to test out the viscosity of the lip gloss on my hand after I added all the oils and stuff. And I'm just going to see if this is thin enough. And see, look, that's the kind of lip gloss that I like. I like a lip gloss that is thin, shiny, and coats the lips and keeps them moisturized, but still adding that pop, you know? So that's what we did with this one. So now I'm going to take my colors. I'm going to be adding my color Glitz to this. It's Glitz. I don't know if you can see. I named these. So I put this color as Glitz. And I'm going to be adding, first of all, let me test it so you guys can see the color. I'm just going to put it right over the lip gloss. Just like this kind of, I don't know if you see that, but like once you mix it in, it's going to be looking like that. So your lip's going to be popping, period. So I'm only going to add a little of this because it's more pigmented. It got like a gold shimmer to it. And I don't know if I want that much gold shimmer, so I'm just going to add little by little. I don't want to add too much too fast. Okay? So that's the color it gave me with that little bit that I added. Now, I'm starting to like that color, so I'm going to test it out again on my hand to see how it looks as a lip gloss. And I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the way it will look as a lip gloss, and I don't think it has enough shine. Not gonna lie, I don't see any of my glitter. So I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna add a touch more. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm literally just adding a touch more, like a touch. And I just went in. I'm gonna put the top back on this because even if it doesn't have enough color, I'm not gonna add any more of this one because I'm done with that one. Okay? I'm gonna mix this one. Alright guys, so I'm back. I went and got this other color called Star. Oops, built in my hand. Show you how that looks. Like that. And I have this holographic one, but I only have like a little bit. When I say a little bit, I mean like a very little bit. So I'm just going to add the rest of this in here. Like, I haven't bought supplies to make lip gloss in so long. So I didn't go buy no new supplies for this video. I just used what I had on hand, basically. So I'm going to try to warm it right now in the microwave, and I'll come back on camera in a couple of seconds. Peace. Thin enough. Thin enough to pour. That's what I'm saying. Thin enough to pour. So I'm going to scrape all this excess off because I told you I'm going to be using a second color in this one. I'm going to be using Star in this one. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to, let's see, just get a plastic cup and I'm going to set this up inside of it. If you see, I'm going to take a plastic cup and I'm going to set it up inside of it so I can pour this lip gloss inside of my tube. Let's see how much I took. And 10 should be enough to fill that one. So if it's not enough to fill it, then I'll always go back. I want you guys to see this. Like, look at that. So I'm going to squeeze the corners to get it all in those corners. And then I'm going to continue to push. Make that noise because it's a little air pocket. Continue to push. There goes one color. And I'm going to squeeze it some more because I want to fit all of this in there. So now I'm going to take it. I'm going to squeeze some more in there. That's probably about the most I can fit in there. So then I'm going to put this one down. I'm going to squeeze this back into here because it's the same color, so it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to squeeze that back in there for the next round with this next color. When you order lip gloss, it always comes with a cap and a stopper. If it does not come with a cap and a stopper, you need to call them and they need to refund you your money because your lip glosses are going to spill if they don't have a cap and a stopper. Okay? So I'm going to take my stopper. This is actually the fun part because it makes a noise. Like, you get to put that on there, put it on correct, and you gotta pop that sucker on. Then close it up. And that's your lip gloss. That's your lip gloss. Looking real cute. You can see that glitz real well. You can kind of see the fine glitters, the holographic glitter. Not that much, but you can see the other one real well. So now I'm going to go through mine and I'm going to take Star, which is kind of the same as the other one. It just has a gold back too. Doesn't really do anything, but I want to be different, so I'm just going to add it. Just a little bit, though. It's not really coming, so you think I'm adding a lot, but ain't nothing coming out of this thing. Okay, so I added that color. Put the top on this. And then I have these pre-made mixes that I have done already. And I don't know which one I want to use. Let's try this one. No, not that one. That looks like the other one. Actually, I don't think I'm going to use any of those ones. Because those look the same. Let me see. This one looks a little different. Ah! Like I said, sorry guys, camera keeps falling. Let me fix it. Let me see. I'm trying to get it back to the same angle that we had it at before. Yeah, I think that's the best we're going to get. I don't know why. Okay, let me see if I can fix it. There we go. I don't know why the camera keeps falling. I don't know. But it keeps hitting me in my head. So it needs to stop. What the hell? But yeah, I want to take this one, my pre-made mixes. And I don't really know what colors these are because, you know, I told y'all I made these a minute ago. And I'm going to add some of this color too. Because that one cute. That got a little shimmer to it. Ooh. I forgot about these. So, because I'm OC about having a new color. Oh yeah. Right, now that changed the color. This might give me a color on my lips that I don't want, so I might add a little too much. But then I'll just like run it down a little bit with some oil or something. So that's the color compared to that color. I think you can be able to tell now. So let me try that one. That's the first one right there, and this is gonna be the new one next to it. It's still not gonna be really that shiny. Oh, actually it shows a little bit different. Not that much. But yeah, you get the gist of it. So now I'll take the rest of this. Open my pipette. It has the other one still in it, but they're the same color. And it's barely in there. It's just like at the tip a little bit. So I squeeze it back in. So I'm going to now take it. And I'm going to pour the rest of it in here. And it's going to be way more than 10 because last time I only used 10 for that whole container. So this is going to be way more than 10. Actually, I need to put it back in the cup because I'm going to get to all this, okay? And then I'm probably going to put it into like some little lip gloss containers and give them away to my friends or something. I don't know. But yeah. Probably my little cousin because she loves some lip gloss. And it's homemade, so it won't break her lips out or anything. And it's thin, so it's okay for a little girl. That's what I like about making lip glosses. You can make it for all ages, not because like lip glosses they sell for at the stores be like for older people. Like they look like super there and stuff. And I don't want that for my little cousin, so I'm just gonna give her one of these ones. And these are ones that can be used. Oops, I missed the cup. Oh snap! Alright, you can tell I ain't got no aim. That's why I use this because this stuff is sticky and kind of hard to get out of stuff. So be careful with that. Okay, it's just a little bit more. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to now push it on there like that. You can be more. I'm super messy. I don't know how, but you probably can do it better than me. I'm just being a little messy right now. Then get all that. Scrape all that. And then here. Hey, you know what I did last time? This one is closed, so I have to hurry up and open it before it spills out. Oh, come out. Use that, pop it out. Then I'm going to put this in there. Hold it like that. Then I'm going to push with this one. And it's going to go in. There we go. This one's taking more push to get the top to stay on. Like, see, if you don't do it correct, your thing will come out. So you got to make sure you push good. I'm going to show you guys in the camera this color coming in. Probably gonna make another fart noise. Ah, the whole stick came out actually. So this time, I know to push slow because last time it popped out. So I'm gonna push this one real slow until we get to the top. And then I'm gonna squeeze the sides because I want the sides to get full. Okay, put this down. And then again, it's still not full all the way, so I'm going to just put a little bit more up there. Take the stopper, like I said, no stopper, no lip gloss. Put the stopper in, cap the lip gloss. Here goes my two lip gloss colors. Kind of identical because they both have a gold shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see the gold shimmer. I can see the gold shimmer. Yeah, so